If you've ever watched a viral YouTube short or TikTok and thought, how did they make it go viral? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any regular video, yes, even your old content, into viral ready shots in just minutes. And the best part is, you can start doing it right after watching this video. So stick with me because what you're about to learn might be the game changer you have been waiting for. Now, the software we are going to be using is called Repurpose Clip. Now, look at the name right here, Repurpose Clip. Now, once we're here, there are so many things we can do using this software. You can convert your your long video into shorts. You can do AI captions. You can edit video. You can enhance your speech. You can reframe with AI. You can do AI B-roll, and you can generate hook from your long form videos or even your short. So what we're going to be doing right now is that we're going to be converting a long form video into short. So once we're here, there are two things you can do. Is either you drop your link, that is your video link that you've already uploaded on YouTube right here. It could be either on YouTube or any other social media platform, Zoom or Twitch. Now you can also upload the video that you have in your system or your computer or on your phone or on your Google Drive, right? So for me, I'm going to be using a link to a video I already uploaded. So I'll go to my YouTube channel and then I will copy one of the videos I uploaded, this one here. So I will click on these three dots right here and then I'll copy this shareable link. I'll go back to Repurpose Clip and then I'll paste the link right here and you wait for it to load up. Remember, if you sign up for a new account, you'll be given 10 free credits to work with. So they have recognized my video right here. So I will go ahead and click on get clip in one click and it's going to cost me 2 credits. So I will click on get clips in one click. Very good. So the video or the software is doing its work in the background. So meanwhile, we can just go ahead and answer these questions randomly as the case may be. So which best describe your role when using an Repurpose Clip? So I will just click on educator, then I will click on sole entrepreneur slash freelancer, and then they say what is your current social media reach by followers. So you can go ahead and select anyone that's related to you, right? So and then this one says what kind of content do you primarily want to click on Repurpose? Is it original or other people's content or both? So for me it's original. And then they say how did you first hear about us? All right, so you can just go ahead and click the one that is applicable to you. So if you want, you can go ahead and connect your YouTube channel and this software will analyze your videos or your channel for you. But for me, I'm not going to be connecting my channel. I'll just wait for it to generate my shorts for me. Now it depends on how long your video is. You have the number of shots you are going to have, right? So this video, I think, is about 2 minutes long, and let's see how many shots the video is going to give us. So if your video is more than, let's say, 8 minutes long or 10 minutes or even 15 minutes, it's going to give you more shots and it's also going to cost you more credit. So I believe that the shot has been generated. So what you have to do right now is go ahead and click on this same video here. I'll click on it. And just like that, this particular software has given us the shots. And one funny thing is that it is giving us shots and the description of the shot or whatever the shot is talking about. And if you look right here, it says that out of 100 you have 99% probability of this shot going viral. All right, so if you scroll down, this one has 85%. Okay, so it gave me only 2 shots from a 2 minutes and 14 seconds video. Now there are so many things you can do right here. You can publish on social media like YouTube if you've connected your account, or you can download in HD, you can edit, You can add hook, AI hook, you can enhance the speech, and so many other things. You can go ahead and change the aspect ratio of this particular video. If you click here, you will see 1:1 and 16:9. All right, so it depends on the platform you are going to use. Choose the one related to you. Now let us play it and see.
Hey everyone, I've got 500 lifetime Canva Pro accounts up for grabs for free, but here's the catch. You've got to watch until the very end and find the code which...
Very good. So if you look here, this shot is coming with what is it called? A watermark. It's because I'm using uh, a free account. But if you want to use, or if you are using a paid version or a pro version, you are not going to see this watermark on your video. So I told you that it depends on how long your video is. You get the number of shots. For me, I had just about 2 minutes video and it gave me 2 shots. Let's play this one and see.
I've got 500 lifetime Canva Pro accounts up for grabs for free, but here's the catch. You've got to watch until the very end and find the code which will appear towards the end of this video to snag your unique code.
Very good. So once you're comfortable with this, you can go ahead and click on download right here. And it's either you upgrade in order not to download with a watermark, or you just continue and download with a watermark. So the video is downloading presently. So if you like what you're seeing, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. Also, share this video so that it can be recommended to many people.